So our first step will be to arrange the equation y into y equals mx plus b format by isolating y. We'll start off with our original equation. Then we'll move the x to the other side by subtracting it from both sides. This will leave us with 3y is equal to 12 minus x. Now we'll divide by the attached variable to y. This will isolate y. So we'll divide everything by 3. When we do that, it simplifies to y is equal to 4 minus 1/3 x. Now this is not quite in y equals mx plus b format yet, but we can rearrange it to y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. Be careful when you rearrange that you take the sign in front of the variable. The 4 has to remain positive and the negative 1/3 x has to remain negative. Step 2. Identify the y-intercept and the slope from the equation. Well, in our equation, the slope is given by the number in front of x, or m is equal to negative 1/3. And the y-intercept is given by the number added or subtracted afterwards, so b is equal to 4. Now we'll need a Cartesian plane. Step 3 is to plot the y-intercept on the graph first. If we recall our equation, our y-intercept was 4. We'll plot that on the graph. Then, we'll use step 4. From the y-intercept, we'll plot our second point using the rise and run of the slope. So, our rise is 1, and our run is 3. One of them has to be going in the opposite direction though. Here we've taken our run as negative. There are two ways we can go. We can take negative 1 over 3 as down 1 and right 3 and plot a point. Or we can take m as 1 over negative 3, which would be up 1 and left 3 and plot a point. Once we're finished, we can repeat that from each point until we plot a lot of points. So once we have a few plotted, we'll be in a situation where we can move on to step 5. We'll finish off the graph by drawing a line and labeling it. And then we're finished. Example 4. Follow through our 5-step process for graphing lines for 5y plus 25x is equal to 0. When you're done, come back and see our solution.